Hey everyone, in the hostel in Ao Nang, finally made it after a treacherous day, which I couldn't even get my camera out to record. So, I leave my hostel, 10:30, get on a mixed bus, so it only cost me 200 baht to get to the ferry, which is about a 25-minute drive. Okay, so we get there. I'm rummaging. I only had 35 minutes to get on the boat. Waited in multiple queues, all said the ticket didn't work. After it became 11:45, so I'd missed my boat. I was panicking, was emailing the company, and then they went, yeah, you booked it for the 2nd of April. So it was my fault. I thought the company had gone bust the way somebody was talking to me. And literally I was like, it was my fault. And I could only get 50% refund, so I lost like 8 quid. So I got 8 quid back, but still, it's a killer. Then I bought a new ticket to Suratani, which was 390 baht, which isn't that bad. About 2.5 hours, and I sat in aircon. I had to sit next to some weird people, but it's alright. They probably thought I was weird. Sorry, my hair's a mess, just got out of the shower, but I haven't brushed it yet. Oh well. You know, on holiday. But yeah, so then I was in Suratani. I got Suratani town for about 4:30, and I was like, fuck, I was like, oh shit, how am I gonna get to Ao Nang, which is past Krabi? And luckily there was a guy who was trying to get there as well. And we had just got told we had missed the last bus by like 5-10 minutes. So the only other option was either taxi or stay the night. And I'd already got a hostel here for like, it wasn't expensive, like 7 quid a night, but I wasn't up for paying for another hostel and then getting a shitty bus. So I was like, dude, do you want to go halves on a taxi? And the taxi was 1,800 baht, which is just under 40 quid. So it'd be like 20 each. And he's a Scouse. He was from the UK too. And so he agreed, and then we got in a car together for 2 hours, 45 minutes chat. It was great. And then finally arrived here in Ao Nang at about 8:30. And I literally just couldn't be bothered. I was like dead to everybody. I've been traveling for 10 hours and I was just like, I can't believe I made it here. I had to pay extra, you know. I had lost money. I think my whole trip cost me about 35 quid to get from Koh Phangan to here, which is like a flight without baggage. But to be honest, it's not crazy. Imagine paying for a 2-hour 45 taxi for 20 quid each. That's just unheard of in the UK. But yeah, so I'm here. I woke up quite late. I've had a shower. I'm just gonna chill. I've got to edit a video for tonight because I'm still not ready. You'll probably have seen that, but yeah, gonna sort that out. Book me a day trip for tomorrow to one of the islands to do some snorkeling. I'm missing it. I really want to do it, and I really want to see something. Don't care what it is, just want to see something that you wouldn't see in the UK, except for in a sea life centre. So yeah, I'm gonna book that, and I might go for some food and maybe a walk to the beach if it's not too late by the time I finish my video. But my video needs to be up at 7 PM here, and it's 4 o'clock, so I have 3 hours to finish editing it and upload it and post it. Wish me luck, but I'll talk to you guys when I do. Bye. So we're getting ready to go on the 7 tours thing. It leaves in about an hour, about 11:30. And we get to go to the islands, snorkeling. I'm going to take you with me. And we get to see the plankton in the water, which is like blue, and sunset and a barbecue. And I'm going to meet my friend Charlotte and we're going together. So it'll be nice. So excited. It's beautiful. Oh fuck, just scared the shit out of me. We're about to go on a 7-day trip. Are we? Are we? I didn't know we got put that. It's a bit windy, but we're just about to go off on our 7-island tour and go snorkeling. Which one's ours? Oh, we're getting on the big one. We got loads of space. Look at this. Oh, it's a comfy one. Yeah. Are we?
We are not jellyfishes. We're going to see jellyfishes. Jellyfishes.
Where's that song from?
I just made it up.
Oh, artiste.
Yeah.
Artiste? It's so clear. This is my first stop. I don't even know what it's called.
I can't remember what it's called either.
To be honest, I like spaced out. She was like 3 islands here, 3 islands there. I was like, okay. Oh, talk, baby. So blue.
Oh, I wasn't recording. No.
Chicken Island! Oh no, I've turned now. It doesn't look like a chicken anymore.
Looks like a dick now.
Looks like a dick. I can't. A selfie with a dick. I can't do it. So nice. It's the ocean's dick. So heavy. What the?
It's heavy.
Yeah.
No, not so much. We got heavier in front.
It's heavy. It is quite heavy though.
Just had some great food. You probably can't hear me. Just chilling now. Waiting until we get to the next place to swim. But there is a lot of jellyfish. It's very sad.
de cocotier, bois nager jusqu'au Nirvana. Hôtel 5 étoiles dans le petit-déj en pyjama. Faire un jeep et tout sur le mont Fujiyama. Faire le tour de Thaïlande dans 500 Yamaha. Faut que je quitte la France, elle a fait la petite frange.
Oh, regarde, eh.
Je les ai entendus. Ah, ils sont adorables.
C'est les bandits, les gars. C'est les singes avec les... Je les ai vus en Malaisie.
What? It's a monkey. Oh. Wow. You know? Oh, there's one right here. I didn't even see it. Look at it. No way. Oh my god. Hello. Its tail is massive. What the fuck? Komodo dragon.
Maybe dinosaur.
Dinosaur. What?
On les reconnaît les salopes.
Saw a monkey, met a dragon, and now there's loads of it's like cliffs hanging over. It's fucking amazing. Way over there you can see Chicken Island. It's gonna be a beautiful sunset if it doesn't go behind the clouds. Girl, say hi.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey, girl, hey!
Oh, they've drew a face on it, like it's dead. Oh, there's the sun and
Rest in peace.
oh, poor jellyfish. Picture they're getting over there probably. Really nice.
Going home with a new husband.
So beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm too far away. It's a little fish jumping like there. Wow, it's so beautiful. Crabby. What a life. I wish it shows up on this camera, but it just doesn't because it's too far away. And then I get my phone and I zoom in and it's like, no. I'm trying to cover up all the light from my GoPro. Yeah. So funny. Hey guys, so the tour yesterday went really great. Ended great. I ended up swimming with glowing plankton. I really hope I caught it on this camera. If I did, I'll show it. But it was an amazing day with Charlotte, Kaylee and Chloe. And today, well, it's a new morning. Today we've got just a chilled day. I have already got some washing clean, so that's good. And now I'm gonna go meet some friends at a pool bar. Maybe have a swim, but we'll see how it goes. Nice sunset.
I'm actually really tired.
Hey.
I could
You wanna-
easily go for an appetizer right now.
A nap.
An appetizer.
A nap and a snack?
Like an appetizer, like a nap before your actual real soup.
Just on the bus now to Koh Lanta. Saying bye to Ao Nang. I'm gonna go stay in a nice like a cottage type thing. That's really nice. Really nice. We just got to our little like cabin, and we've each got we got like upgraded, so we each have like our own bed.
Yeah, it would have been good if we had 3 double beds.
Do you want the double bed? I'll have the single.
What if I pull some lady?
Oh shit! Yeah, do you want to switch?
What? And then you're all gonna be in here while I'm pulling some lady? No. I don't.
We even got a fridge. £5 per person per night. We're gonna go out. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Oh, it's stuck. Oh no, buddy. No. That's it that way. No. No. Oh.
Basically, actually coming from England, it basically is.
Oh, it's so rocky here. You definitely can't go in here. Oh wow. Don't know if we're swimming here. I just rode on a scooter for the first time. It's quite an experience. My hand hurts from holding the throttle, but you know, amazing. Look at those houses up there. But it was really fun, and I actually feel quite safe. I struggled with like turning for a bit, but I did it.
Some drinks, peach soda. Everybody's got their drinks. Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Beautiful people and beautiful places.
Beach where we were was pretty shitty, so we drove a bit further. Looks so pretty for sunset.